Hello everyone, welcome back to Blender Express. In this quick tutorial we will learn how to use a spin tool in Blender. Let's get started. We will use a cylinder for this tutorial. Press Shift A and add a cylinder. Scale it in Z-axis. For upper face we will bend to the left, while bottom we will extrude to the right. First, go to Edit mode. Make sure that we in Face selection. You can press Pad 3 or click icon on the top left. Now select the upper face. Then we must move the 3D cursor to the pivot point for the spin tool. Press and hold Shift key and right-click to place 3D cursor. Then go to the left menu and choose Spin Tool. We can see that it has X, Y and Z axis for rotation. In this case we will use Y-axis. Click and drag the plus button to extrude with rotation. We also can set a specific angle by typing it in pop-up menu. Let's say we want to make right angle, just type 90. And I can continue to extrude empty model in X-axis. Now let's make a second spin with a 270 degrees angle. We can change the step value to control our loop cut. The higher the number, the smoother it bends. As we can see, step set to 16 and it looks blocky. I will increase it to 32. For the bottom face, we will place 3D cursor far from the cylinder so that we have a bigger radius. I want to make the spin about 210 degrees. Then I want to continue extrude in Z-axis and scale it down to make it sharp like a hook or something like that. We can shade it smoothly, and we are done using Spin tool. Thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe if this video is helpful. See you in the next video.